Welcome to Fixing Common App Issues, a guide for 2025. Today, we'll address common issues many applicants face and offer solutions to ensure your application process is seamless. Technical glitches can be a nightmare. If you experience login issues or accessibility errors, try clearing your browser's cache or switch to a different browser to see if that solves the problem. If you find sections of your application are incomplete or documents are missing, take a deep breath. Review each section carefully and ensure you've uploaded all required documents before running your final checks. Should you encounter submission errors, whether it's a timeout or an unexpected error message, don't panic. Try resubmitting after a short wait. If the problem persists, contact support as soon as possible. Formatting can make or break your application. Make sure your essays are well structured, use standard fonts and sizes, and keep the formatting consistent throughout. Error notifications can be tricky, but understanding what they mean is key. Take time to read the messages carefully, they often contain steps for resolution. Don't forget about the support resources. The Common App FAQs and support channels are there to assist you with any questions you might have. When encountering issues, clear communication with your prospective colleges can be helpful. Always be honest about your situation and ask for guidance if needed. Before finalizing your application, make sure to run through our final checklist. Verify all sections are complete and error-free, and don't forget to double-check your documents. You've got this. Remember, this application process is just one step toward your future. Stay positive, and best of luck with your submissions.